420 Delta, Canberra Target 8, line up from 35. Q-Link 420 Delta, runway 35, clear for takeoff. 420 Delta, smoke observed from your left tyre. Say again, smoke observed from your left tyre.
Q-Link 420 Delta, thanks.
Q-Link 420 Delta, and look to be from the tower, that the left tyre is flat.
Q-Link 420 Delta, just confirm it was the left hand side.
A-firm, left main gear.
Thank you.
420 Delta, when able, advise your intention.
420 Delta, is there still smoke on the aircraft?
420 Delta negative, as soon as you lift it, the smoke stops.
420 Delta, roger, it felt like a tyre burst. We'll continue climbing on this SID to 10,000 for the moment.
420 Delta, roger. Would you like to go over to departures?
Say again?
Would you like to go over to departures or remain this frequency?
Can we remain this frequency?
420, yeah, I'll sort it out, you can remain this frequency.
Thank you.
Copy, thank you. The Dash-8 that just departed was looking blue tyres, he was rolling. If you want to do an inspection, thanks for head out towards Mike. Not sure of his intentions at the moment.
Q-Link 420 Delta, request maintain 8,000.
420 Delta, roger, maintain 8,000.
8,000, Q-Link 420 Delta. At this stage we're planning to return to land at Canberra.
Q-Link 420 Delta, understood. Just let me know if there's anything you need this end in terms of where you'd like to hold.
Q-Link 420 Delta, roger.
Q-Link 420 Delta. Just wondering if you would prefer to switch over to the departures frequency and hold on their frequency. Advise when you can.
Q-Link, what are we, 420 Delta, roger, we'll call approach now.
420 Delta, roger, 124 decimal 5, and I'll talk to you again soon.
1245, Q-Link 420 Delta. Pan, Canberra approach. This is Q-Link 420 Delta, 420 Delta, 420 Delta. We're maintaining 8,000 and tracking on the 022 track. We have a blown tyre on the left hand side, and at this stage we're thinking about coming back to Canberra. We'll let you know what we decide to do. We've got 1,800 kilograms of fuel, that's about 2 hours of fuel, and we've got 77 POB, no dangerous goods.
Q-Link 420 Delta, roger the pan. Do you want me to keep you in controlled airspace because you will go ACT at about 8 miles? I can vector you to the south at 8,000, or do you want to continue on that present heading?
Vector to the south will be good, Q-Link 420 Delta.
Q-Link 420 Delta, roger, turn right heading 170.
Right heading 170, maintain 8,000, Q-Link 420 Delta. Q-Link 420 Delta, there was quite a bit of rubber, was there?
I think there was from all accounts. I'm just trying to get an update from the tower at the moment.
Thanks. Well, visually from us we've got one blown tyre and one intact tyre, so we are expecting a normal landing, but can we have the services on local standby, please?
Q-Link 420 Delta, roger.
Q-Link 420 Delta, we've decided to return to Canberra, and we'll let you know when we can track to a position on the star.
Roger, Q-Link 420 Delta, just continue on your present heading and I'll process you, and you'll be landing runway 35 of course, and if you're happy to go by the star, or do you want a visual approach, or you prefer the long final and the star concern?
Radar vectors to a long final will be good, Q-Link 420 Delta.
You can expect that killing 420 Delta. And do you want me to actually put you on the ILS, or are you just happy once I put you on centreline a visual approach?
ILS, thanks.
Roger, you can expect the ILS runway 35 approach.
Killing 420 Delta, thanks.
Just let me know when you're happy to make the approach.
Will do.
And queuing 420 Delta, just for planning procedures, you are happy with the approach via the ILS, say I'll virtually intercept it at a 151, or do you want further away?
Killing 420 Delta, I think we should be right with an intercept of 15 miles.
All right then, at the moment on that heading, probably a base turn of about 26 miles, if that's okay?
That sounds good, killing 420 Delta.
Roger. And queuing 420 Delta, just confirming for the tower, you've actually got one fully inflated on the left and one burst tyre on the left, is that correct?
That's correct, killing 420 Delta.
Killing 420 Delta, thank you.
That's from cabin crew observations, killing 420 Delta.
Killing 420 Delta.
Canberra departures, velocity 657, heading 350, passing 4,200 on climb 6,000.
Velocity 657, g'day, this is Canberra departures, identified, climb via the SID to flight level 150, and continue heading at 350.
Continue the heading 350 and climb to flight level 150, velocity 657.
Queuing 420 Delta, turn right heading 210.
Right heading 210, killing 420 Delta.
And velocity 657, position 5 miles north of Canberra, turn right, resume navigation, track direct to Acme.
Turn right, resume navigation, track direct Acme, velocity 657.
Queuing 420 Delta, when ready, descend to 7,000 on QNH 1027, conditions as when you departed.
7,000, 1027, left 8,000, killing 420 Delta.
Queuing 420 Delta.
Killing 420 Delta, just making sure, other emergency services ready for our approach.
So everything's in place, and just stand by with the services. Did you actually want them on standby, is that correct?
Affirm, killing 420 Delta.
Killing 420 Delta. Velocity 657, contact centre 128.4.
128.4, velocity 657.
Queuing 420 Delta, just for information, the emergency services are moving out. They will be in position for your arrival. And at the moment, base turn about 6 miles, is that acceptable?
Yeah, copy, and that's acceptable, thank you. Killing 420 Delta.
And queuing 420 Delta, descend to 6,000.
Descend to 6,000, killing 420 Delta.
Queuing 420 Delta, the tower just advised emergency services are now in place.
Killing 420 Delta, thank you. We can take a turn now, killing 420 Delta.
Queuing 420 Delta, roger, turn right heading 250.
250, killing 420 Delta.
And queuing 420 Delta, descend to 5,400.
Descend to 5,400, killing 420 Delta.
Going 420 Delta, turn right heading 320 for pilots at the 35 Lake Isa, position 1 mile right. Cleared ILS, approach runway 35.
Right, 320, cleared ILS. Approach runway 35, killing 420 Delta.
And queuing 420 Delta, you established now on the localizer?
We're established, killing 420 Delta.
Queuing 420 Delta, roger, contact the tower on 118.7.
187, thanks for your help, killing 420 Delta.
And good luck.
Canberra Tower, killing 420 Delta.
Killing 420 Delta, Canberra Tower, roger, pan. Killing 420 Delta, wind 310 degrees, 12 knots. Runway 35, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 35, killing 420 Delta.
Car 15, total short copied as well. Next aircraft lands emergency aircraft is a 5 mile final, runway 35.
Yeah.